Have you ever sent a Word document and had to send 5 different attachments? Well, there's a cleaner way. You can actually put those inside your Word document as a clickable icon. Let me show you how. So if you have a Word document like the example I have here, you can embed PDFs, Excel files, other Word documents right inside your Word document you already have. So I'm going to show you an example on this sample employee handbook, but maybe you have projects, client deliverables, all types of things where there's multiple documents that need to go along with the original. This is a really cool way to do it. So right now we have Begin Well, which is a fictional company, and it is an employee handbook. As we scroll down, it has all of the jargon as usual. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says required forms and acknowledgments. These are the type of forms you may want to send as attachments, but we're going to do it the other way. So we have a code of conduct, a direct deposit authorization form, and benefits enrollment form. Now I'm going to click right at the bottom where I want to place the icons, and then we're going to go over to the insert tab, click on insert, and then look over to the text section, and in there you'll see object. Click on that, and when you go on that drop down, click on object, and then it's going to take you into this screen. Now what we're going to do is create from file, because you already have the document somewhere on your device. So we're going to navigate to our device, and then we're going to hit create from file. And then over to the right hand side, you see 2 options, link to file or display as icon. We're going to click display as icon. We'll come back to explain link to file in just a little bit. And then we'll go over to browse, and then we'll start with the first one. We will make that the code of conduct acknowledgement. Then we'll click insert. And then now if you look down at the bottom, you see something called change icon. If you click on that, you can change the look of the icon that we're putting in the document. There are a few different options for this one. You can click through them, and if there's one you like, feel free to click on that one. These are very similar to each other, but I'm just going to pick one. We'll pick this one, hit OK, and then we're going to hit OK again. And just like that, that document has been embedded into this employee handbook document. So the code of conduct document is now inside of our handbook. And if you just double click on it, it'll open up separately. Let's do it with the next one. I'll show you with either the PDF or the Excel file. So we'll just click next to that. We'll go back up to the insert tab and then over to object and create from file. And then we will display as icon once more, browse, the direct deposit. Click insert. We'll leave the icon, click OK. It inserts that. What you can also do is click on it, select it, right click, and then go to borders and shading. If on your document you want it to stand out a little bit, we'll just add a box. For example's sake, we'll leave that style. We'll change the color so that they're able to see it, so it highlights it a little bit. We'll put it on, I don't know, for kicks 3, and then we're going to apply to picture, hit OK. You can do this around all of them or none of them if you want, but it just makes it stand out so that the employee in this case would see that there is actual things to click on down here. But you would do the same thing for all of your documents, and just like the other ones, you just double click them in order to open them, and it opens them, and the employee can fill out the form or whatever your document happens to be. They have access to it. Now let's talk about the link that we saw before. We're going to click, and then we're going to go back up to object, select on the object. The other option in here for create from file was link to file. Now if you select display as icon, the actual document is embedded into the document, so the employee or individual you send it to has full access to that document. However, if you change anything in the original, it's not going to change on the embedded document. Now, if you select link to file, changes you make on the original will change in the one that's embedded. However, you have to make sure that the person you're sending it to has access to where that file is stored, and you want them to have access to where it's stored. So for instance, if you have a shared cloud within your organization that everybody uses, maybe you can do something like that. But be aware, if you move the file from that location, the link is going to be broken. So that's, in most cases, you're going to want to use display as icon, but that is how you embed documents into your Word document. Hope this helps.